Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are going to design a beautiful, colorful text cutout effect in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's dive right in. Start with a blank slide. Go to Insert, pick a text box, and type your main word. Choose a thick, bold font, increase the size so it fills the screen, and align the text to the exact center and middle of your slide. You can also loosen the letter spacing for a more modern look. Grab a rectangle shape from the Insert menu and draw it so it completely covers your entire slide. Remove the shape outline, right-click, and send it to the back. Select both the background rectangle and your text box together. Navigate up to Shape Format, click on Merge Shapes, and choose Combine. This punches your text completely out of the solid background shape. Go back to Insert, select Picture, and bring in a vibrant, colorful photo from your computer. Once it loads, right-click and send the picture to the very back. Your colorful image will instantly reveal itself through the text. To make the design pop, click on your Combine background layer. Give it a solid fill color that contrasts well. Then go to Shape Effects. Add an inside center shadow for depth, and apply a bevel effect like Relaxed Insert for a clean three-dimensional finish. Preview your slideshow and you have a stunning professional text effect ready to go. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more clean, quick tutorials.